Every JEE aspirant dreams of becoming an engineer, but the journey is tough. But the passion to heal and serve humanity drives them forward. I know all of you might be slightly stressed about the exam. Stay calm, stay focused, and trust in yourself.
You have got this. Believe in your preparation and abilities. You are familiar with the proven techniques used by Sri Chaitanya's toppers to excel in exams. Remember, it is not about being perfect. It's about doing your best. So keep studying hard and let's ace this together.
On behalf of the entire Infinity Learn JEE by Sri Chaitanya team, we wish you all the best of luck for the upcoming JEE Advanced 2024 exams. Your hard work and dedication will surely pay off.
Stay focused and believe in your preparation.
Keep yourself calm and revise whatever you have studied.
Eat healthy, as we don't want you to get sick on the exam day.
Stay away from social media sites.
Revise the important formulas and concepts.
Read all instructions given in the paper carefully.
Carry relevant documents like admit card, ID proof.
Wishing all Sri Chaitanya students best of luck for your exams.
Transforming your